What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're going to take a look at my latest Matchbox haul. This is all I could find in the recent weeks. Most of these models are, I think, from the last case of 2025, so must be the M case or something, whatever. But I was able to find this pretty cool. Found the Matchbox Super Chase, the Shelby Cobra 427. So yeah, pretty cool. And let's get started and let's take a look at our models. And we get started with this one here, new livery for the Garbage King. There we go. We have seen several versions of this casting. So this one is Matchbox City Waste Services. So yeah, pretty nice. We have two different shades of red. The cap, of course, is metal. The rest is plastic, but comes with these golden rims. Kind of interesting. I do have some other versions. These two guys right here. I think last year there must have been one with City Services deco. I don't know why I don't have that, but anyway, so yeah, West Coast Recycling, and what's this one? Pacific Northwest Sanitation. And kind of interesting, don't mix it up with this thing here. This is a new casting, I think also from this year. This is the trash truck, and as you can see, especially from above, different casting. So let's put this guy to the side. And our Garbage King in the parking lot. So let's go on with next model. New livery for the Skidster. There we go. Such a tiny casting, but I have to say I really like it, especially because it's so tiny. So it comes in kind of a construction livery. I think nothing special, and of course comes with a kind of a moving part, which is pretty nice. Orange tinted windows, by the way. We have seen this one, for example, in this nice green, and there was also a version in Matchbox Construction Deco. That's all the versions I have so far. In the parking lot. Let's go on with new casting for 2025. The Nissan Ariya pole to pole. So yeah, this is kind of a special edition. I think this is an electric car that kind of an exciting electric trip, and came with this deco. Pole to pole, what does it say? Electric whatever expedition. Yeah, it looks kind of nice in this what's that color? Copper or something. Deco on the front, on the side. Ooh, and on the back. That is pretty cool. License plate and everything on there. So this is really nice, I have to say. To the parking lot it goes. As we take a look at the next new 2025 casting, the Polaris Razor Pro R4 Sport. I don't know, this is already a third or fourth Razor they are doing. I have to be honest, I didn't know that this brand does so many different models. So definitely kind of an off-road vehicle without a roof, but a roll cage. So yeah, looks pretty nice. We even get some headlights. deco on the side. Into the parking lot it goes, and let's go on with this one. New deco for the 1966 Land Rover Gen 2. There we go. Yeah. I do have some other versions of this thing here, and one looks pretty similar. It's this one here, but it's definitely not the same deco and not just another, let's say, base color. It's a different deco. This one is saying Matchbox Africa, and the other one is saying Safari Park. As you can see, this casting doesn't have an interior, and I don't know why they did this strange color here. On this one for the windows, I think they just should have done it in black, but whatever. So on our new model, it is black. And normally, this model has a variation if you take a look at this roof piece. So this one here looks different, comes with a chainsaw, and I don't know what that is, a tent or something like that. You can also see it on the other two guys that I have. But so far, I wasn't able to find the roof variation for this one. So yeah, I'll have to keep looking for that. Then couldn't find this one for a while. The green version of the 2021 Ford Bronco, but now I have it. I think this one is not from the MKs, I'm pretty sure. Really like the Bronco, so this is the four-door version. Let's say the regular four-door version. Matchbox is also doing the Bronco Sport, and Hot Wheels does the two-door version. So the first version was this guy here in blue. We've seen it in red, and there's also a chase version that I do have, but yeah, I got it stored away somewhere else, so can't show it today. But we've seen Bronco also in these very, very, very cool decos. So this one was in a 5-pack, worn 5-pack, really, really nice Bronco and worn deco, and we've also seen it in national parks, and yeah, looks really, really, really good, I have to say. Really like this casting, and this version here in national parks, really fantastic. So we park our green one in the parking lot and take a look at the new version of the International TerraStar. I think on the base it's saying International Ambulance. Yep. I've seen several versions of this thing, for example, in red, yellow, and a pretty similar deco. Yeah, really nice. I love these trucks, food trucks, or these ambulances, really nice. So yeah, as you can see, of course, base is metal, the rest is plastic. We don't get any interior. Does look good. Next one up is a recolor for the Dodge Durango. It's hard to open sometimes. There we go. As you can see, comes with a trailer hitch, and yeah, I thought this was only the second version. The only other version that I have was in black, and I would say basically it's the second mainline version. But when I looked it up, I saw before the black one we've had a red version that only came in a hitch and haul set, I think it is called. So yeah, and there was another. So this is a more silver gray, and there was another gray version in a, I think a special Dodge set or something that didn't show up in my area. So whatever. Here we have it. Nice deco on the front and on the back. Also has a license plate saying Dodge. Comes with a trailer hitch, which is pretty nice. Then also have a recolor for the 1986 Volvo 240. This color is, I would say, somewhere between cream and yellow. Also really nice details here on the back. Comes with a license plate saying 740 or 240, sorry. Yeah, really, really nice. It's the third color. You've seen it in blue, which was the debut version, and so in red. Really cool. All of these come with different license plates. This one is saying 1986 or something like that. This one is saying Ruby 240, and this one is saying 240. So yeah, really nice. Then another new casting. Scania XT fire truck. There we go. Nice fire truck. No moving parts, obviously. We have kind of a molded in spare tire on the roof. Yeah. It also has an interior which is pretty cool, or let's say at least it has some windows. It's really hard to see in there. Yeah, nice. Another fire truck. Then we have this one. I don't know if there are any other versions. I looked it up, but I couldn't find it out. So if it's a debut version, it doesn't say on the card for some reason. But this is the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. Comes in a really, really nice light metallic blue with some deco on the side. So this one looks really good. I think the tri-spoke wheels are a nice match for this one. And as you can see, we get a chrome interior. So we also have a chrome bumper, chrome details on the side, on the back, which is pretty nice. And the base is also blue. Pretty nice. Two models left. We have this guy here. This is the first version I own of the BMW 1M, but this one looks really, really nice in white. There we go. Comes with details on the front and a license plate saying BMW 1M. 5 spokes in black, license plate on the back. So this one, yeah, really, really nice. Like this one. And our last one is a new casting. 2024 Range Rover PHEV. There we go. Pretty big, this one, but it's kind of light because as you can see, this one, the whole top part is plastic. We get nice details on the front. And well, some details on the side, but nothing on the back. That's it looks a little bit odd, but anyways, the front looks good. I think the rims are a great match, and yeah, that was the last one. So let's take a look at all of our models from today. As always, I am picking a favorite, and I have to say, I think it's this one here. Because it comes, it's a mainline model, but it comes with full deco. I mean, once again, the whole roof part is plastic, but yeah, we had some really crisp deco all around this model, which is pretty cool, especially on the back. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time.